Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so that may answer your questions or doubts you have in your situation, guys. Taurus, so let's see what are these cards. We have Tower, Stock, and Bear. So, Taurus, in your situation, guys, there is someone, it may be your sibling, your parent, or a friend who's older to you, who has honest intentions towards you guys, and they are guiding you today, helping you out, maybe giving suggestions, or they are telling you what needs to be done. And for some of you, you just don't want to listen to their advice. You feel that they are too dominating or controlling, guys. And maybe you are stressed because of that. And Taurus, I also see that in your situation, you are seeing some great changes happening, guys. Maybe in your career situation or in this relationship, there are many changes taking place. It may be change of work, or you may be getting a promotion or moving to a different place for work, or for some of you it may even be some negative drastic changes happening, maybe some suspensions in your work or some delays. But all these things are happening just to push you towards a greater positive potential in life, guys, or to bring out that positive potential in you. So these situations are just pressuring you to move in a particular way to find out your life purpose, guys. So these changes are necessary. Maybe you feel that you are stressed and too sad today, but the sadness, the stress, or these troubles are necessary to bring out that positive potential in you, guys, Taurus. And I also see that there is a new beginning for you today, guys. It may be a new beginning in your career, maybe some new projects are coming, maybe whatever was not working or whatever was not profitable for you, that is leaving you, and whatever is good taking you towards your dreams. So that beginning is reaching you today, guys. And you are going to feel really lucky today because you are going to get lucrative returns in your work or in your personal life. You are going to be happy because this person you love, maybe they are having a child with you, or you are having a child with them, or you want to start a family, or you want to have a committed relationship with this person. So some positive changes, some positive move forward movement is what is taking place in your life today, guys. And it is taking you towards your life's plan or that life path, guys. So you know what is the purpose of your life, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have mice. So we saw positive energy with the previous cards, but we have this card here. Maybe they are using you in some ways, this person you love. Maybe they are using your skills and talents, or maybe your position, or maybe your finances. But you both share a good understanding, guys. But they are using you in some ways. So, or for some of you, you have some kind of doubts or confusions. Maybe sometimes this person is good and you feel really relaxed to be with them, but sometimes you both have a lot of misunderstandings. So, some kind of instability is what you are sensing today, guys, in this connection, in this relationship. So, let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is key. So, whatever difficulties you are facing today, guys, Taurus, you are simply going to succeed because you are going to find the right thing that is taking you towards success, the missing link. So, maybe even in your relationship, things are going to fall in place, guys, and things are going to go in a positive way for you all, Taurus. So that is the reading, Taurus. If you want more clarity, you can watch the fairy tale special pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do. That quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So, in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So, you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress, or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness, or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.